饺子还是饺子，很好吃。Today we are making dumplings. We are going to try and make our own pastry. To follow this recipe you would need 500 grams of plain flour, 250 milliliters of water and 2 grams of salt. So first, 500 grams of flour into the pan. There we go, 500. No, exactly. Next, 2 grams of salt. Now we add the water. Knead it. Want to mix as much as possible. Try and make sure there's no dry flour at the bottom. Pan is a little small for me, so it's a little bit awkward. Next time we'll use a bigger pan. Right, when it's smooth and your hands are clean, it's done. Put a lid on and leave it for half an hour to become soft. While the dough softens, we are going to prepare the mince. We just need pork mince, prawn and chives. So we're going to chop our prawns. Now add to the bowl. Now we add some ingredients for the flavour. Make a sauce. We need super cheap white wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar and white pepper. That definitely is sugar. First, super cheap white wine. Next, oyster sauce. Next, soy sauce, sugar, and pepper. 1, 2, 3. Now add 1 egg, we almost forgot. Now mix, and only mix in one direction. Wash the chives before you cut them. Now finally we cut the chives. I have to save until last. Now we add in, just give a quick mix. And at the very end, add some salt. And a little bit of oil. It's starting to smell really delicious. Right, should be ready. Let's check. Oh, that's soft enough. Done. Right. Add some flour to your cling film so it doesn't stick. Add more flour. Now mix them all up, you don't want them sticking. Add more flour. Now just make them bigger. Good. Should do. Fold top. First, we just want to seal. It's sealed. Oh, this is tiny. Is that okay? Another one. Put your mince on your pastry. Fold the pastry over. Maybe too much. That'll be okay. Crimp the edges. Now give it a little squeeze. That's done. So this is my first effort. I'll do better next time. Once we boil the water, we just put them all in. Stir quickly so they don't stick to the pan. So we wait for it to boil and then we're going to add cold water. After the third time, it's done. Get as much water as you can. And just on the plate. They actually look delicious and they smell amazing. Oh. I will use cider vinegar as my dipping sauce. If you like chili, you can also add some chili. Try one. Jiao zai jiao zi. 还好吃。jiao zai jiao zi. You can also try it as a soup. 酸汤饺子。Spicy.